Okay, hopefully that helps a little bit, having the background light. All right, so we are now on 314. And this one is a really quick one. You'll notice that the shortest of the units, or the shortest of the chapters, usually have to do with a chapter where you're reading about deaf culture. And I will scan them all and put them up. I'm not going to test on them because we really don't even talk about it much in class. They're just bios for you to read from the textbook. There are better ways for you to start finding out about deaf culture. The easiest way is take your favorite hobby or what your career goal is and put it in with either deaf or American Sign Language and see what YouTube or what Google brings you, because it will apply to your life a lot more than anything that I could lead in class. I mean, if you're not into visual arts, you're not going to care who Chuck Baird is. If you love painting and visual arts, you're going to find Chuck Baird and find his paintings kind of blow your mind, because he incorporates sign language into his paintings, and they're really cool. So anyway, this is just more work on signers' perspective. There's no new vocab, and it's really just this. It would be me in the classroom practicing, seeing if everybody's still getting it, and testing to see if you've got it. So let me just try this. So if you're not a fan of 70s, I think it was 70s and 80s television. Actually, I think it was probably 60s and 70s. Anyway, yeah, I think it was 60s and 70s. Oh my God, I'm feeling old. So if you're not a fan of the Brady Bunch, you might not have got all those references, but that's okay. All I was doing is using space. So at least if you were following what the names were, that's at least a step in the right direction. I will include the text from the chapter on deaf culture and deaf people, famous deaf people. But for right now, that's 314. Why are you not recording? Are you recording or are you not recording? I cannot tell. What's going on? Ah, it is. Okay, so that's it.